In this video, we're going to go over how to use FSA card on Amazon, okay? First, you need to look for, FSA eligible items on Amazon. So you can come here, click on the FSA section, go click on explore eligible items, and go and explore those. They have thousands of products here, and they can be delivered right to your door, low prices, right? So you come here, look for these deals. You can also use the FSA, or HSA eligible products filter in the search results. Go ahead and filter according to that. Okay. And then at the checkout, you just need to go ahead and pay with your FSA debit card. So you just do the normal process. Make sure it's just the eligible item. As long as the item is eligible, what you need to do at the checkout process, once you've added it to your card, you just use your FSA debit card. It's literally that easy and simple. So as you can see, there's a lot of items here. You choose whatever you want, right? Let's say I want to go ahead and buy some pain relief medication. I come here, choose anything that is applicable. I can add this to my cart. Let's say this one one here, breathe right, can do any. So let's say I add this to my cart. Come to my cart, click on go to cart right here. Then just proceed to checkout, right? And then just go ahead and add that payment method, your FSA debit card. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.